Tired of tossing mountains of diapers? Want to do right by your baby and the planet? You're in the right place. We're diving into the world of eco-friendly diapers, making your parenting journey a little greener. Let's face it, diapers are a necessity, but traditional disposables contribute massively to landfills. Today, we're exploring awesome eco-friendly alternatives, cloth diapers and sustainable disposables. Get ready to be amazed. First up, cloth diapers. Forget those old-school pins and folds. Modern cloth diapers are super cute and easy. All-in-ones are like disposable diapers, but reusable. Pocket diapers let you customize absorbency, and prefolds are budget-friendly. Here are some quick washing tips. Pros: less waste, long-term savings, and fewer chemicals. Cons: initial cost, laundry, and a slight learning curve. But trust me, it's worth it. If cloth isn't your thing, try sustainable disposables. Bamboo diapers are super soft and absorbent, and plant-based polymers reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. Biodegradable options sound great, but read the fine print. They often need industrial composting. Pros: reduced impact, comfort, and fewer chemicals. Cons: higher cost and potential misleading claims. Let's quickly recap those cloth diaper systems. AIOs for convenience, pockets for flexibility, prefolds for budget, and fitteds for overnight. Choose what fits your lifestyle. Ready to make the switch? Let us know in the comments which option you're trying. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other new parents. Together, we can make a difference.